Hey guys, how about something small? Keep you guys busy while the big videos come up. Here's David's gonna teach me how to play Whack-A-Zombie. Square bows. They sound awesome. For the rodents. There's a lot of furry little rodents on, especially the ones that sing. Oh, they drive me insane. Ooh, I like mallets. Ooh. Me, my mullet! Da! Da! Why won't you die? Just die! Ooh, he barfed up sun. Barfed up life. You're gonna actually get that within the first few seconds of the game, and you'll get some money sometimes. But other times, you won't. Ah! What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Trying to get up on a lawn like that. That's the way to do it. That's just no way to do it. Da. 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 Oh. Sorry to see you. I'll pretend I didn't see that. I'm gonna bonk you on the head like a chipmunk. Ooh, how nice! We're gonna bonk all their heads. They're little, non-actually that furry heads. And he said they were rodents. Squirrels, he liked to call them. Stand there. Stand there. God darn it. Sit in your graves! No one likes you! Ah! Your cards look ridiculous! And I meant that in a very insulting manner. Smash or smash! Smash or smash! 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 Ooh, they're buffing up sun like crazy! I think they had so much vitamin D for breakfast. Pow! I like that. Pow! 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 Chicka wow wow! Pow! Ah. Ah! Ah! Zombie punch! Why won't you die? Oh wait, you're already dead. Sorry. Ah! Woohoo! Thanks for watching! It is a hypno shroom. This only was like half the original time, so thanks for watching though. Woohoo! There should be more later.